Today is a very exciting day for me because it's a culmination of a long journey which started a couple of months ago when ex-uDumo or uDumo alumni came together and looked at means and ways of giving back to the community, and uMhleli was one of the vehicles of giving back. uMhleli Foundation is one of the ways of giving back to the community, to the future leaders, to the youth of eMandeni, because that's where we grew up. We are an NPO, which is a non-profit organization. There are specific rules and laws that we need to follow as an organization to make sure that this organization is transparent and it also has integrity. So my role would be that of ensuring that uMhleli has clean and good governance in terms of the operations of the business, because this is a business of nurturing the future leaders and it needs to be done in a professional manner.